2/25, 2023. We got our vacuum ball hooked up. Got our this vacuum. It's a not a thermo valve, but it's a vacuum diaphragm that runs hot and cold water. Apparently, spring ain't working very good on it. Uh-oh. Anyway, it's designed to control the water flow. I'm not sure what this one does. It might be your blend door. Opens and closes your blend air door to flip it to recirculate fresh air or hot to cold air. So we got this one replaced. It's the white line. This powdery looking dude right here falling all apart. Yeah. We got to hook up our main line. That's our vacuum feed, our vacuum source. Because we're not through yet. We've only got 1, 2. This one's not connected. So we've got 3 of them connected. We've got the white one connected. The green one connected, which is, it goes right down here to this vacuum control valve right here for your H-Vac system. Now there's another one of these right here. Got the red wire on it. It's right there. So what we have so far, it's got your primary vacuum feed into the control circuit or into the control panel. The white one goes out to the blower box. The green one runs right here. Red one's over there. Looks like somebody cut the red one off and shunted it because it may have already had a leak, made a leak on it, and it's vacuum leak. So I'll have to check that one to make sure it's fixed. So I'm going to run the red one. And that pretty much just leaves the orange one, which pretty much has to go to the other little vacuum or water control valve or water control diaphragm. It's not a diaphragm, it's a manual valve, which it's a vacuum. Kind of weird. But that's where we're at. But the one that's not hooked up yet, that's this one right here that goes to that valve. I still got to run the red one. Haven't run the red one yet. See, right here is a manual valve on a cable that goes to your HVAC control, and you manually control this one. I don't know if you can see that, but it's manual control. It's got that little swing arm up there. And then you got this vacuum controlled one right here, which I haven't got hooked up yet, but it does appear to be the orange line. And like I say, white, black coming out of your vacuum source, engine vacuum to the reserve bottle. Vacuum source, control, another control, and the green control in the dash there, and the red control in the dash. This pretty much leaves you no other alternative but the orange. Orange goes right there to that one out the water valve out there on the front end. So I'm pretty sure that's all of them. Pretty sure it is. Anyway, God bless. In the 405, we're about to have our vacuum repaired. Yeah. I still got to figure out what this is. Let's see, that's the multi-battery isolator. Whatever the heck that is. So anyway, like I said, God bless in the 405. Later.